All right, Nahian, I figured out your molarity problem. So it's basically just stoichiometry, but the units look a little bit different than what you're used to. So instead of using grams, you're essentially using liters. But we're still going to use the mole ratio. So the first thing we want to start with is our very first given, which is the 1.0 liters of solution, and that is going to be of your barium hydroxide. So you first write. Okay, and that's the start of my stoichiometry. Then we're going to use the molarity. Now, molarity, which I'm sure you saw in the videos that you looked up, is moles of solute over liters of solution. So this means 0.05 moles of OH minus over 1 liter of solution, which is our barium hydroxide. So it's going to look like this. So that's why you end up having 1 liter on the bottom here, is because that 1 liter is built into this unit right here. Now we have essentially gotten rid of the liters of barium hydroxide, because the whole point of this is that we want to go from liters of barium hydroxide to moles of barium hydroxide. But because this molarity unit that you're given also includes the OH minus, we needed to do this step right here. Now we're going to use the mole ratio to convert from moles of OH minus to moles of barium hydroxide. So remember that the mole ratio just comes from the coefficients from your balanced equation, and this equation is already balanced, so we can just use the numbers right in front of it. So since we have moles of OH minus on the top, we want moles of OH minus on the bottom, so it's going to be 2 moles of OH minus on the bottom, and since we're trying to get to moles of barium hydroxide, we're going to put 1 mole of barium hydroxide on the top. Now moles of OH minus cancel out, and I'm left with the unit that I want, which is barium hydroxide. Now you can put this all in your calculator, but I know that you're pretty good at math, so you probably can already see the answer right now, and it's going to be that answer A of 0.025. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you still need more help.